The Gathering Storm by Winston Churchill was written in 1948. The best political leaders are able to place current events within the context of history. The axiom that further you go back into history, the more you see the future never found a more apt expression than in Churchill, who could put Hitler's terrifying rise into some context. The Gathering Storm is the first of a 6-volume series, The Second World War, which won him the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1953. As Holland and Belgium fell to Hitler, Churchill now posed at 65 the chief office of state. I felt as if I were walking with destiny, he writes, and that all my past life had been but a preparation for this hour and for this trial.